Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Nall 2025. Got a Seawind. Whoops. Great airplane. There we go. Truly amphibious. Got retractable landing gear and everything. It's really cool. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. These are available, by the way, through Horizon Hobby and TowerHobbies.com. And folks, I apologize for the raindrops on the lens because it's raining right now. It's been raining non-stop today here at Nall.
I'll tell you. Oh no. Alright, I'm taking off. Alright. Landing.
Oh, what a great landing, folks. Look at that. Look at that. That's seaplane butter right there, folks. Seaplane butter. Because when you're out flying and it's wet and it's muddy and you got a seaplane and you make a gorgeous landing, there's nothing better than a smooth, buttery landing.
Oh, what? No.
All right, friends. More to come.